So I spent the last 4 years renovating our off-grid cottage, and I'm really excited to say that my wife retired last week, and we've decided to make it our home, our permanent residence. So after saying goodbye to all of our friends, packing up all of our belongings, we hit the road, and now we're up here to enjoy nature, spend time together, and just see what the next chapter in our life is going to be. And seriously, I'm thinking over the next few weeks I may even retire myself just so we can spend time together.